Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another plan with me from the week February 4th through to the 10th. I'm going to be using our new blooming kit, which I'm just obsessed with, and I thought it would work really well for this week. So I'll just quickly go through everything and then we can get straight into the plan with me. So this is the first functional sheet. As you can see already, it's very florally and just really pretty pastel colors, which I think is very me. So you've got your normal 8-heart checklists, your sidebar, weekly box, appointment labels, sidebar headers, habit trackers, and lots of functional icons. Then you have your second functional sheet with your to-do and today headers, your glitter headers, bill dues, appointment labels, lots of icons, and 2 weekend banners. Then you have your really pretty full boxes, lots and lots of florals, these 2 really pretty girls, butterfly, and then the quote just says, "Give yourself time to bloom." Your to-do boxes, another sidebar weekly box, and some appointment labels. Your half boxes, quarter boxes, and little things. Your gorgeous bottom washi and washi strips, and then your date covers and deco. So I think for this week I'm also going to be pulling, even though there's the gold glitter, it's quite a cool gold, so I'm going to be pulling in silver foil because I haven't used silver foil in a while and I thought let's use it. So as always, let's go ahead and pop the bottom washi down. There we go, that's down. Now I think for the date covers I'm going to use this side and I'm going to bring in some silver foil date dots. These are just our date dots on our website. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pop those all down and across. Okay, that's down. Every week I debate on what I'm going to do for the top headers. I think I'm going to go ahead this week and just put the today headers across the top. Yeah, I think let's go for that this week. So I'm going to go ahead and pop all of those down too. There we go, that's all down. Now for the sidebar, I think I actually might use the quote box this week, and I'm going to pop a silver foil header at the top because I think that'll look really nice. So I'm just using the ones from Rose Colored Days. Okay, and underneath that I'm just going to pop a washi strip. I might use this blue floral one and then pop my 2 habit trackers down. Then I'm going to pop another piece of washi and my weekly sidebar box, and I'm going to mark exercise again for that. And then I'm going to do my normal little weigh-in section, so I might just carry the washi along and then pop the weigh-in sticker above that. So what I'm going to do for that, I'm going to use an appointment label, I think this one. And I put that on really crooked. And grab one of our new foil icons. This is the white tick icon, and just put that here. Just to do, because I don't have a silver foil weigh-in sticker, so I think that'll work okay. Ah, that's so crooked. I'm using our matte paper, if you were wondering. It's so beautiful and soft. Okay, so let's go day by day. For Monday, I think I'll put the full box at the bottom. Let's use one of the girls, and then I'm going to put a silver foil header above. Like that. Monday morning we are going and having a coffee with Shan and Kev from Marshmallow Studio, which is another Perth based sticker shop, so I'm excited about that. let's use another one of these appointment labels to mark that. I'm going to use one of our coffee time Pellas for that because she's just so cute. So let's pop that down here. Then I'm just going to move down to the afternoon. I'm going to the gym, so I'll grab a quarter box. I'll use the blue one. And I'm going to use one of our exercise girls. With that, just pop her here. And then the rest of the day is mostly just work. So I'm going to use one of our little sticky note stickers. Pop that here. And use a work script sticker from Rose Coloured Days and just pop it across there. And I think for now I'll leave the rest of it blank, but I might just use a washi strip just to cover that header and add a bit more something into that day. Oh yes, the other thing is I'll want to publish this plan with me. So I'm going to grab one of those smaller appointment labels. Let's get the green one. I'll just use one of these arrow stickers to mark that. Okay, then moving on to Tuesday, the first thing is it is my nephew's birthday. Oh, and there's a cat. He is turning 3 years old, which is crazy, but let's get a half box to mark that. Let's use this one here. And for that, I'm going to use one of our birthday Pellas because I think she's so cute with a little party hat and balloons, and then also a silver foil heart to mark that. Let's put her here. There. Then let's just put the full box in the middle. I think maybe this one here. And I might just pop a block header down there. So on Tuesday night, I'm actually going to my first choir practice. I joined a choir. I used to really enjoy it when I was in high school, and I was a member of a few choirs and music captain and all of that. And I just thought I really need a hobby outside of work and just for my mind to do something else rather than think about stickers all the time. So Tuesday is the first night that it starts, and I'm really excited about it. So I wanted to mark it. Let's use a quarter box, maybe the marble one, or actually I might use this one here. And I think I'll just use a little bow icon to mark that, like there. And then the rest of the day is definitely work. So let's get a quarter box. Let's get one of these. And a work script sticker. And one of our GP girls. That. There we go, and then I'll fill in anything else that is happening on Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm going to pop a full box at the top. Maybe let's use this marble one, I think. Yep. And I'm going to pop a silver foil header underneath that. I haven't got any other plans as of yet on Wednesday other than obviously work, and then in the evening time we're going over to my parents' house just to help them move around some furniture and also have dinner. So I might grab a half box. Let's use this green one. And I have these knife and fork icons from Paper Muse Crafts, and I might pop that here. And yeah, I think I'll leave it at that. I'm not sure when I'll be going to the gym next, so I'll just leave that blank. We'll definitely have to do some laundry, so let's use a flag, blue one. Actually, let's use one of these floral flags and then get a little pillar. We'll get our laundry day pillar. Like that, it's very cute. Then I'll grab another half box for work. So let's use the floral one. Let's use another work script and then another GP girl. Might do it. Let's have a look. Okay, well, I'm just going to try something. I'm going to pop a block header down. And then I'm going to pop the girl in the middle. And then the script on the top. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. Okay, and then I'm just going to leave that blank just for anything else that comes up. On Thursday, I might pop the full box down the bottom and then I can go like that. Yes, so let's use maybe this one. Thursday, so far not that many plans, so let's just use a half box on its side for work. So let's use this one here, I think, and then do my usual script and girl. Like that. I'm going to pop a strip of washi, I think, over that header. And then again, I'm not too sure what else is happening on Thursday just yet. I don't like to preempt anything, so I'm just going to leave that blank too. Friday, I'll pop the full box at the top and let's go for maybe this one here, I think. And then a silver header underneath. Friday is new releases day, so I'm going to pop a half box down the bottom. Let's use this floral one here. I really like these bows from my newest addiction and I really want to use them, so I think I'm going to use one of these. For that, let's pop that on the side here. Then I'll have to film a new releases video, so let's get a quarter box. And I've got these film script stickers from Tasseled Planner here. And then everything else will just have to get prepped. So again, let's use a sticky note to mark the work and a script sticker. And I'm just going to use one of our work pillars as well. Pop here. There we go. Okay, Saturday and Sunday I'm going to pop the weekend banner down. And then I'm going to put the two full boxes down as well. So let's use, I think the butterfly and then the florals will be good. So let's do those two. So Saturday morning it'll be grocery shopping, so I'm going to get a label. Let's use the pink one. And our very cute groceries Pella, which is very adorable. And then in the afternoon we have Pubble's grandma's birthday. She's turning 91, which is crazy. So let's get a half box. Choose one with a butterfly. Oh, and a piece of washi there. And I'm just going to use the balloons as well from our from the kit. Like that. And then Sunday, really no plans. I just wanted to do some filming. So let's just cover that header up with a washi strip. Let's bring some pink in. So I'm going to get a quarter box and use another one of those film stickers, and then I might put a planner next to it as well, one of the planner icons from the kit, say filming plan with me's. and then I'm going to leave that blank to fill in later on. Let's have a quick look. I think that's looking really, really pretty. So I did want to add a couple of these overlays. I think I'll pop one on here. Oh no, actually one on this floral and maybe one on this floral. So I'll use maybe these two, I think. There we go. I'm not sure if you can see, but it just adds that little extra sparkle. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab the deco and just sprinkle that around the top. And there we go, that is the finished product. I love how this turned out. This kit is so pretty. So it's now available in the shop. Let me know what you guys think, and until my next video, I'll talk to you then. Bye.